Hello, creative people. Welcome to our channel. Today is the day to dive into the dark side of art, but with lots of shine. Has anyone here tried to paint on black paper and ended up with a mixture of dark colors that looked more like space mud? Let's learn how to make metallic watercolors that look illuminated. And the best part, you don't need expensive materials or magic. If you like today's topic, subscribe, like, share and comment. The first step is to use matte black paper. The secret to metallic watercolor is to activate the watercolor a few minutes before starting to paint. This makes it easier to remove the pigment from the tablet. The trick professionals use is to make dry layers. That is, do not use the water-based technique. This prevents the pigment from diluting. See how intense the gold looks. If you smudge the metallic paint, don't try to clean it with water. Just wipe it with a cotton swab soaked in alcohol. This will remove the mistake without ruining the paper. Let's make a super shiny flower here. Now it's time for the real thing. Look how the metallic details shine. It looks like the painting has taken on a life of its own. After it dries, use a spray fixative to protect the shine. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you feel inspired to take that forgotten black paper from the closet and transform it into a canvas of mystery and shine. Tag #ArteNooscuro in the comments so I can see your work. If you liked it, leave a like. Share it with those who love dramatic art and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next secrets. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. Until next time, thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.